Anil Tiwari, Vikas Gupta. I'm going to go across to Anil Tiwari of the Allahabad Bar Court High Association, who's now joining us. Anil Tiwari, how are you looking at this move? कुछ दिन पहले आपकी statement आई थी that you are not a trash bin. And what is it that now the resolution is going to be passed by the Allahabad Bar Association now that the collegium has taken the decision to repatriate Justice Yashwant Verma back to the Allahabad High Court?
Actually, we have passed a resolution today. The resolution has been passed by the General House, all lawyers present over there. We have passed a resolution that he should not be transferred to Allahabad. Rather, he should not be transferred to any other court. He should remain in Delhi and be scrutinized by the Honorable Supreme Court. We have also passed a resolution that his entire judgments given by him during his tenure, now the suspicion is there. So that judgment should be scrutinized in a manner determined by the Honorable Apex Court. We have also requested the CGI to permit CBI and ED to register FIR. All these requests, we have passed a resolution. We have been sending the same to the Honorable Supreme Court for consideration. I feel at this moment, today I have came to know just now that Collegium has recommended for his transfer to Allahabad again. I only say this much, that I am raising this doubt since very beginning, that now the time has come where the judiciary should be above suspicion. Public confidence is very must for the judiciary, for existence of judiciary, because public faith is the weapon which is being, the only weapon, the only power which is given to the judiciary. So, in order to restore the faith, I hope that the Collegium will reconsider its decision again.
Okay, Mr. Tiwari, therefore, is there a resolution that is now going to be passed by you? Is there going to be any new resolution?
We will wait for 2-3 days for consideration. We will wait. Actually, you see, we have great faith in our judicial system. We have great faith in our judicial system. We have great faith in our judges. We want to discuss this matter with the Honorable CGI. We will seek his time and we will meet him. That nothing is more important than public faith. Nothing is more important. Neither it is a prestige issue, nor it is an issue of any conflict. Supreme Court and we, common public, everybody is of the same view that transparency is required. Such man who is tainted with such kind of cash cannot be permitted to remain in judiciary at all. We will discuss this matter and we will take further decision in our General House meeting. So far the transfer is concerned, we will oppose tooth and nail.
Okay, I also want to now draw your attention to what has been stated by Anil Tiwari of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association, who's now saying, in this case, what needs to be done is the Allahabad High Court is going to be seeing that he's being brought back. Now, I also wanted to get a sense of what needs to be done ahead. Anil Tiwari, one more question to you. As the president of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association, all of you are meeting in a larger sense. Does there not need to be guidelines that need to be put in place if any such case comes forward, that the transfer is just not enough? It should not be hushed up. This matter should be properly inquired into.
That is what we are raising since very beginning.
Yes.
We are saying that it is not a question of a particular individual or particular judge. It's a question of public faith. It's a question of existence of democracy. It's a question of existence of judiciary itself. What is being presented till date is not enough to infuse confidence of public. I'm the mouthpiece of a common man. What I'm saying that please save the judiciary. There are 99% who are honest, but only less than 1% are those persons who are polluting this free flow of judicial river. What I am saying is very important, but nobody is trying to understand our feeling.
Okay. Anil Tiwari, I thank you for being with us. It's a top focus. We'll come back to you for